When you said that we was finished, was that truth or lie? Tell me all the things that keep you up at night. Crying in your pillow, hoping they can't hear you. You know I am not the type to criticize. All these dudes up in your DM act like you don't see them. Online you Santa Maria, but inside you bleeding. Look, I know you try to live your life. You was never good at picking sides, but I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce. Why you run away from me? I hate to talk to play catch up. Now it's feet going down the street.
Alright y'all, I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I went ahead and added the adjustable band inside the wig to show you guys if you can wear this unit glueless or not. I personally don't like the bands because sometimes I don't like where they're put at in the wig and it makes the wig uncomfortable for me, but that's just a personal preference. But I'm just showing you guys this for the sake of the video. Okay, you definitely will be able to wear this unit glueless. All I have to do is blend in the lace with some makeup and you will be able to rock it glueless.
I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce. Go on and get your.
After you lay your lace and clean up the residue around the hairline, it's really no magic to it. Just apply press powder, foundation, whatever you need to do to help it blend into your skin. Excuse how I look. I know I look bad, but I was doing my makeup to come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this wig. I had to stop because this lace right here looks so freaking bomb, okay? All I did was my normal makeup look, and that is I apply concealer and then I do my contour. I was not expecting it to be this bomb. I had to come back and tell y'all that, yo, I haven't used no Sally Hansen Deep Lip Spray. All I have to do is apply some pressed powder to the parting space. That's it, y'all. Just blown away. Like, yo. I'll be back, y'all. I gotta go finish my makeup. I'll come back and talk about it and give y'all my final thoughts. But y'all know cons. I just want y'all to know that before. And get ready, because your girl is about to sing. What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man. Yes, he is. Remix. What a wig, what a wig, what a wig, what a mighty good wig. Yes, it is. Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Okay, y'all, your girl is feeling good. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for all of the love and support that y'all showed on my community post when I said your girl was feeling stressed, okay? Your girl is still feeling a little bit stressed, but it's all good in the neighborhood. I thank you guys so much for all the love, the support, and the encouragement that you show the kid. It is very, very much appreciated. So, let's get right down to business, okay? Before I give you guys my thoughts and opinions on this wig, I just want to send a big thank you to Superbwigs for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. I cannot stop looking at myself because this wig is thebomb.com, okay? I'm just going to say it right now. Like I said when I was styling this wig, I have no cons, honey. No cons. Today, I am wearing Dora. Dora. Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer. I know y'all like, no, this girl did not just sing Dora the Explorer. Yes, I did, because that's her name and that's what I do. I sang things, okay? So this is Miss Dora. This is the 13 by 6 Swiss lace curly short bob wig. I do not have the hair density right now, but once I talk to the company, I'll be sure to leave it down below in the description box. The cap size of this wig is average, and the starting price for this wig, y'all, is $99, okay? I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all that up front. I'm just here to give y'all my thoughts and opinion and to slay and lay these wigs, okay? You determine if the price is right for you, all right? Come on down. You get it? The price is right. I'm just going to jump right into the pros. The first pro of this wig, I would have to say, is the hair. Y'all, this hair is so beautiful. I am not a fan of the wet look at all. But lately, lately, have I told you I love you? I've been getting some bomb curly units, y'all. And it's making me reconsider this whole wet look, okay? I am loving this wet look on me. I did shampoo and deep condition this hair. I did receive some tangling and some shedding while I was styling this unit. This is how much hair I received when I was shampooing the hair and when I was detangling. If you do decide to purchase this unit, it is going to shed and it is going to snag because it's a curly unit. But the shedding and the snagging is not out of control, y'all. Because once I applied product to this wig, all of the tangling went away. The hair is going to tangle while you're shampooing it. Because I be getting in there. I be getting in the nitty gritty, nitty gritty. I did use water mousse, leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of gel to style this wig. And y'all, look at these curls. As you can see, look at that. Catch that body, y'all. Hey, catch that body. The products did not weigh the hair down. I still have a lot of definition. I did use my hair serum to eliminate as much frizz as I could. We can go ahead and do a nape test. And for the most part, my hand is gliding through the hair. I am catching a few snags at the end of the hair, but it's nothing to make you dislike the wig, I promise you. Next, we can talk about the hairline and the parting space. I just applied some pressed powder to the parting space, and I applied some pressed powder to the lace to make it blend in with my scalp. But look at the hairline. The hairline looks amazing. About the cap size, I have an average and my head size is a 22. This wig is fitting my head to a T. I could lay down the sides if I want to, but y'all know I don't lay down the sides of the wig. I could customize it a little bit by cutting a little bit more lace off so that it will lay flat around my ear, but y'all know I don't lay down the sides of my wig, so that would be pointless. But if I wanted to, I could do it. You can wear this unit glueless. I did show you guys that. And I believe that this wig will look so bomb, look so natural if you were to wear it glueless. It's a personal preference of mine. I do not like to wear my wigs glueless because, y'all, I live in Kansas. And the wind is out of control during the wintertime, summertime, springtime. It doesn't matter. The wind is out of control. Dorothy ended up in Oz. I don't want my wig to end up in Japan, okay? That's how bad the wind be blowing out here. So I always lay down my human hair units, even if it's just to freeze spray the parting space. So you have the option of wearing this wig glueless, using the bands that they send you inside of your pack. Last thing that I love about this unit is the lace. I did not have to do anything too extra to this lace except apply my makeup. When I did my face, I applied my makeup like I normally do, and these are the results. Y'all, bomb. Do you hear me? Can you feel the love tonight? Tonight. I have so much love for this wig because this wig, y'all, it is the bomb. Please send me some samples so I can show you guys the difference. So this is transparent lace right here. And sometimes transparent lace, I'm gonna take the sign off. Sometimes transparent lace can come off a little white. So you might gotta put a little bit of extra elbow grease into the lace to make it blend. I cut off a piece of the Swiss lace right here. And I'm just gonna apply some freeze spray so I can show y'all how it just melts to your skin like butter. Look at that. Look at that. It just melts to your skin. This is the Swiss lace undetectable knots, and that looks amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap today's video up, y'all, because I would just sit here and sing and repeat myself and say how much I love this wig so much. As one of my subscribers say, and I believe her name is Stephanie, when she loves a wig that I review, she says it's a winner winner chicken dinner. This wig is definitely a winner. Baby, you're a winner. Didn't even take you 12 rounds to do it. You got the title down. Tell the whole world. Give it up for my girl. Yes, that's that old school Chris Brown. What you know about that? Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Superbwigs for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know y'all see that big red button down below, but you can't see this lace. Yes! As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
And all the things we could have been. Wish we could